Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to turn on location for Twitter, also known as X, on iPhone. The first thing you do is open up your settings, then you scroll down to Twitter or X as it's known now. So you tap on X, tap on location. After that you have two options: ask next time or when I share, or while using the app. So let's say you choose ask next time or when I share. So you tap on it. You can also tap on when using the app. So when you do that, it opens up precise location. Now you have two choices for precise location: either you turn it on or you turn it off. Now if you toggle it on, it means the app is allowed to use your specific location. But if you leave it off, it means the app will use your approximate location. So it's as simple as that. Hope you found the video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe for